There are political sagas, and then there is the curious case of Shashi Tharoor, a man who wears the Congress tag but often speaks a language that ruffles feathers within. His latest salvo? A scathing critique of the emergency, not just the era, but its architects. And it has left his own party, let's say, egg-faced. Calling it a time when democracy was subverted and authoritarianism prevailed, Tharoor laid bare the suspension of fundamental rights for nearly 21 months. The crackdown on dissent, the muzzling of the press, and the betrayal of the constitutional values. But it's this part that has raised the political temperature. Tharoor did not hold back on slamming the forced sterilization drives, calling them brutal campaigns of coercion and violence, led by none other than Sanjay Gandhi. And this comes barely days after the BJP marked 50 years of emergency on June 25th with full-blown attack on the Congress. And now, Tharoor finds himself under fire from within. Congress MP Manickam Tagore took a sharp swipe, saying, and I quote, "When a colleague starts repeating BJP lines word for word, you begin to wonder, is the bird turning into a parrot?" Unquote. A jibe that hits where it hurts, especially given Tharoor's famous caged bird metaphor for freedom of speech. Incidentally, Tharoor's latest jibe at his own party comes right after the Thiruvananthapuram MP retweeted a survey which claimed he was the best bet as a chief minister face for the UDF, a survey that was almost instantly dismissed by the Congress. So is this Shashi Tharoor, the rebel scholar, speaking truth to power? Or is this the beginning of a deeper churn within the Congress? After all, this isn't the first time he's spoken on these lines.
But what has changed in recent years is that the terrorists have also realized they will have a price to pay. On that, let there be no doubt. When, for the first time, India breached the line of control on a terror base, a launch pad, the Uri strike in September 2015, that was already something we had not done before.
As the party walks a tightrope between legacy and reinvention, one man's truth might just become another man's trouble.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.